Now you're watching my video in the new GoPro 11 Black. Oh man. Oh man, guys, hopefully this video comes out good. Right now you're watching my video in the new GoPro 11 Black. It was a pretty penny, close to $600, well, close to $500. I got it on sale. Hopefully it comes out really good. If you guys don't hear me, I'm sorry, but if y'all hear me a little bit, I mean, that's still good. What y'all want to see is right here. This is what y'all want to see. Right now I have it on hyper mode right now, so y'all can see like everything. So yeah man, I don't want to talk too much, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, guys, if y'all haven't already did that. And for the old subscribers, make sure you comment below and give me a nice thumbs up, and give me something nice, like comment something nice on the comments below, man, because I really don't be getting comments like that. On my old videos, I be getting hella comments, but like any of my new videos, all y'all do is just watch. Y'all don't really like comment or anything like that, and that's all right. It is what it is, you know. If y'all want to, it's cool. I don't really, I mean, I do care, but you know, I can't force y'all to do anything y'all don't want to do. So all I can do is ask, hey, let's go have some fun, man. Let's go. Come on, y'all know I got the V-Touch. Watch, one kick. I went ahead and did a lot of stuff to this bike. I still got more stuff to do to the bike, but I did do a lot to it. Come on now. over here. Oh man, my bike is probably dirty. Yeah, it is dirty. Oh my god, I hope y'all can see that. I've never really got this bike dirty at all. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, y'all can see it. Oh man. So yeah guys, this video is really just a little short vlog, a moto vlog basically. Oh man, I wish it was warm. I would literally go in this water right now. Should look dirty though, I ain't gonna lie. Look dirty as hell. Don't want to wet my boots, then I'm gonna slide everywhere. But yeah man, I hope y'all like this video, man. So far I did like little clips with my GoPro, with my new GoPro, and so far I like the quality of the image and the videos and stuff like that. It looks really good, and I think it's a big upgrade from the 8. Now if you got the 10 or a 9, I don't know if y'all really gonna like it. I don't know if it's a big difference. I never owned a GoPro 8, I mean a GoPro 9 or 10. I jumped to the 7, to the 8, all the way to the 11. So I don't know, I have no idea. I wonder what GoPro got next. I might save up and go ahead and get the GoPro Mini, the compact one. It's like super tiny. That'd be nice for my helmet. And hopefully I'll get a nice helmet attachment so I can put my GoPro on my helmet. So that'll be dope, hopefully. Yeah, let's go ride around some more, man. I'm not gonna ride too long because I got some things to do. I got videos to post, I got videos to edit. Oh dang, this thing just hit me. And I kind of want to get home and get those things done so I can get some more videos out here, or out to my YouTube, to y'all. for too long. I'm so busy today. I had to get a video out today though. Well, not today, but at least make a video. You said do wheelie again?
Do it again so I'll be recording.
I got you. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I love y'all. Peace.